I got the new replacement SUPR relay from Amazon. They shipped it out overnight, which is really cool. But when you're buying these SUPRs, man, make sure it has a little plastic bag underneath it. And yeah, these packages are pretty hard to open, so I don't think it opened by accident, the last one I got. So I think there's your little kit that you need. But these things, you gotta have these little screws to be able to put them in here. So make sure you get the kit when you buy these in the supply house or wherever you get them. Okay, thanks for watching. Click like on the video. Alright, take care, bye.